not going to come back. Yes, I know him. Is it not Dennis? My own Dennis. I know him.
Child. What has come over my son-in-law? Who has taken him?
No one has taken him, Mama. Once a womanizer, always a womanizer. I don't feel bad for him at all. Because for all I know, he's currently in a hotel sleeping with a bitch. That is what shameless men like him do. You're feeling bad for him. What has come over him? Nothing! He's a greedy man who wants to have it all.
God, please. Do not let this happen to my daughter. Eh?
Nothing will happen to me. You see this marriage? I have decided that whatever that comes out from it, yes, I am ready to bear it. I am ready to take it because he's here. I've taken enough. See, we've been waiting for him since here.
The two of you should go up and bet. Go and bet and sleep. I will be here waiting for him to return.
In fact, let me
Dennis.
go and sleep. Let him stay wherever he wants to stay. Let me go and eat.
My own is that you should leave this marriage. You're not here. Shameless man.
Am I seeing? Mama! Here! Here! Amarisham! Asam Beken! Beken! Here!
Mama, I greet you.
Hey, Mama. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Mama, how are you? Baby, my mother.
Wow.
Mama, my husband.
Eziake. Come inside.
Baby, we have some things in the fridge, remember?
Okay.
Bring them down.
Okay, let me get them, eh?
Yori. Beken. Yori.
Okute, you must give me my money. I don't even want to hear anything. You must give me my money today.
Which money?
Enough is enough.
Which money?
Give me. What is your problem now? What is your problem? Give me my money now.
Look at you. I should give you your money. You and I did business, and the business did not work. You want me to give you money? If I slap you now, I will slap you silly.
Okute, you slap me.
I will slap you silly.
You see that money? You must give it to me.
Come and take
it. This village together for us, so you have not seen me. I'm a mad woman, no. Okay. You have not seen me. Okute, hey, I will show you crazy.
Abi! So if my brother asks you to put your hand inside the fire, you put it. Are you mad?
Oh, is that what you're saying?
Are you mad?
Oh, okay, that is what you're saying. That is what you're saying now. Like brother, like sister. Well, I do not expect less. I do not expect you to say anything better than this. But let me tell you two of you, my father must hear this.
Your father?
And I came from village here, sir.
Which of your father?
They will gather for all of us.
The one in heaven?
Military father.
You can say whatever you
Go and call your father, even your mother.
But you see, that money Okute, Imanria.
Okay. Don't make me tell my sister to beat you.
You will not eat my...
Don't make me to tell her to beat you. Are you stupid? You and I did business and it did not work. You want me to pay you?
You!
Will you get her from here?
You! Okute, you! If it's where I am that you have strength. You bro, you cannot fight her.
Will you get her from here?
It's Abi that you have strength, Abi. Don't worry.
You and I did business. It did not work.
My father will hear you.
Your father?
Apagi.
What of your mother?
Two of you. Me only am the moon at this village. I came with this village.
Peter, cross this line.
If you
cross this line.
Okute,
cross it now.
Okute,
let me help my brother.
Cross it now.
Okute, you.
Abi, cross this line.
You see you. That
nonsense.
One, let me come and cross.
Because you are selling children's clothes.
You see you.
You are not comparing me with you.
My father will hear you.
Village teller like you. Come on. Get her from here. Nonsense. Look at her. Huh? Because you are selling children's clothes, you want me and you now because we are tellers.
Who are you talking to now?
We are not tellers.
Is she here? Let's go, you sir.
You self, you go home.
A mad woman.
If you want me to be your boyfriend, you apply in person. Nonsense.
See the way she's backing like a mad.
Go and cut down your hair before I become your boyfriend. Nonsense.
You lie loud. Stop doing loud.
Am I your daughter? Go home.
Even English you cannot speak. Am I your daughter?
Leave this place.
Can you be my daughter?
You. If you want me to be your boyfriend, you tell me. I'll be your boyfriend. Apply in person. Nonsense. Hey, you, take time. Can you imagine I should give her money? If you want to be my girlfriend, tell me.
Noah. He is very rich.
Eh? You say? Mama, he's very rich. Extremely.
Esiake.
As we are talking like this, do you know he has sent the amount of 10 million naira into my account? Once we get back, he'll buy me a car. Jeep, not small car.
Hey.
Jeep.
Is that
When
how
I
much?
cruise into this village,
Osata.
hi, you know now, your step will change.
Is that how much he loves you? Jeep.
You not understand. Oh, don't worry. You see that man? He's inside my palm.
Esiake.
I'm telling you. You, sister, and Obina will not suffer again.
How? Chineke God, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh, my joy now is that your sister will now attend her fashion school. That's my happiness. Hey!
Reminds me, who did you say she had issues with?
Oh.
Anyway, don't worry. We will soon be going back. Just get ready to enjoy this life.
Esiake.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm happy.
I need to go and complete my mission. Accomplish. Gather it. Do everything. I need to fulfill my mission.
Mission? Mission how?
Don't worry. Just be ready to enjoy life.
Okay. Thank you,
Nemo.
See, I am not joking. I am not a joker. You people should stop calling my phone. Yeah? Stop. See, I don't want to see you people in that house once I come back. I don't want to see anybody in that house again. What is it? As for this marriage, it's ended. Listen, as I'm talking to you, I'm in my in-laws' house. So leave my house now, please. You don't have to. Leave. Enough rubbish. Is it by force? This is my house. Just leave.
Danko! Denise! Danko!
Oyibo?
Working bank!
Oyibo? Is this you?
No, it's them.
You look good.
I look good. I look good.
You're back.
Yes.
Welcome.
What is this man doing here?
Do you know him?
Danko! Working bank! Denise! What's that nonsense? It's been a long time! Mama! What is he doing here?
To marry me.
In-law.
To marry me.
In-law to marry you. Who is our in-law? Mama, this is the same man that ran away with my 250,000 naira. And duped Oge and everybody and disappeared into thin air. Denko. This is the man?
Okay, just calm down.
I'm
okay?
sure you are mistaking him for someone else.
Denko. Am I mistaken?
You look good.
I look good.
Wow.
Wow. I look good.
Yeah.
Mama?
Before now, I wanted to give
Wow,
Mama
I look
something
good.
from the car. Mama, hold.
No, that's something I have for you here.
I'm mistaken.
Wow.
Wow.
Is this you?
I look good.
Yeah, let me get something from the car. Babe?
What did he say? I told you. I told you this marriage is over. Mama, what have I done? What have I done to deserve this? What have I done?
What did he say and where is your sister?
Oja has gone back to her house. But Dennis said he's no longer interested in me. That he's no longer interested. Mama, I'm finished. I am finished. I don't know what to do. I am finished. Why is Dennis saying this?
You are not finished. Calm down. Dennis cannot do this to you. He can never do it. Let him go and come back. I will talk to him. Hey, Chineke, now what am I going to do now?
Mama, the funny part of it is, Mama, as we speak now, Dennis said he has seen somebody he's going to marry. Dennis.
You can't do this.
I told you that this one is beyond me. I can't handle it again. I know all this while Dennis has been in a hotel with a woman. I know. Oh.
Stop crying. Stop crying, my daughter.
Mama.
Stop crying. God will see us through. This is the time we need to pray. Stop crying. Stop. Just stop. Wipe your tears. Wipe your tears. Stop. Hey.
I'm not going to agree. I will not agree, oh. The thing I'm going to do to you. You will not go anywhere. In fact, I'm going to seize this car.
Biko, please, calm down. Biko, ma.
Oyibo, I am sorry. I am so sorry.
Sorry what? What kind of useless sorry? Do you know what I went through? You took my money, you ran away with Oge's money. People are abusing me everywhere I'm going to. My hard-earned money, you took it and you ran away. In fact, I promised my mother that I was going to bite you on your neck. This is your neck that is looking very nice, so I'm going to bite it before you go.
Oyibo, that's why I said I'm sorry, okay? I was just hustling, trying to make money to travel abroad, as a young man, okay? But now I'm back. I'm back to this town to put up good businesses around, okay? So I am going to pay you. In fact, double or triple with other persons I'm owing, okay?
So you're looking for money to travel abroad, and then you decided to render other people useless. Took our money and you ran away, If I did not see you here, would you have paid the money? Would you have come looking for Oyibo, Oge, and every other person whose money you stole to pay them back? You're a very bad person. Standing bank.
Calm down. You get more than this, so.
Exactly.
Look, anyhow you want him to pay, he will pay.
Yes, Oyibo. Just mention your price. Mention it, and I will pay you right here, right now. You'll be surprised.
Dennis.
Hey, yeah, don't talk to me. This man is a very wicked man. I will not even allow him marry you. I will not allow him marry you.
No,
calm down.
I'm ready.
Calm down.
Oh?
Dennis. I want you to make a transfer of 10 million naira to her account.
So what are we waiting for? I can do that right here, right now.
Open the app.
I can do that.
Sister, your account number.
Please, when you finish, Rico, assist me. I'm marrying my sister.
Okay. I'm already on it. Your account number, please.
010 60
60.
Why is Salt that she doesn't want to take my calls? Anyway, let me try again. She's still not picking. Where could she possibly be? Could she be with a man? If so, then this man must be very important to her. Wow. Anyway, what do I care? It's not like I care about these idiots anyway. Men are bad. They are wicked. Useless. Imagine what that idiot is doing to my sister. The fool I call my in-law. Look at what he's doing to my sister. I wish I can deal with men. Thunder will fire all of them. Maybe I should also get some charms to deal with them. Just like Saul did. Oh yes! These idiots are not our brothers. I really hope wherever she is, she's dealing with one right now. Saul needs to come back and tell me about this Baba. I need to find a way to crush this bastard.
Who am I? Huh? I don't understand. Mama, who am I? Mama, who am I?
This God.
A millionaire.
It is too much.
Hey!
Why? My daughter,
Mama,
I'm happy. You see how life turns around.
Mama, this life is too small.
This one is a small one.
I feel like going to the city to go and look for Oge and give her something from this money, Mama.
Don't go there. Those people will see you.
I don't do anything, Mama. I have money now. Money rule the world. You have not heard that song? If they come near me, I spray money here, they will say, hey, Odogo Ibo, they going.
Hey!
Mama, see me, see fashion school I've been crying for.
Thank you, God.
Eh?
Thank God.
Hey! God has used my sister to bless me.
Yes, so.
Denko is now my in-law.
Oh, yes.
Working bank.
Oh, you want go and get drinks. Let's enjoy.
I cannot stand up. Since he gave me the money, if I stand up, my leg will be shaking.
Aye.
I fall down again. I'm just thanking God.
God, I thank you.
That when I saw him from here, from the back, I did not bite his neck.
Oh!
Like I promised you.
You see, that's why I used to tell you, calm down. Calm down. Always calm down. This is God.
He?
Thank you.
Hey!
Babe, are you serious?
Mama, I tell you, on the same bros where dupe my sister. Long time ago.
Hi!
This word just a very small.
Indeed.
Babe, that bros don't spend about 10 million. And I go still make her spend more.
10 million!
I don't talk about finish. He say he won't carry me in as a new wife. He won't, give me your wife car. I just accept some marriage. That's okay. I'll just come and come do. I won't come pack my things already because he will come carry me. Tell you how they do now.
Can you imagine? Babe, try him. Run him down. Don't show any mercy. Can you imagine the idiot?
Yeah, really wicked.
Ha!
Really wicked. Now why this one? Anything I know say I could fit collect from him. Are they close? Are they open? Are they close? Are they?
Men are bad. Ha! Imagine my in-law misbehaving. But you see this time, he will see what's in the fine. He will see what he's looking for. Ha!
I'm just tired. I'm tired. I just get small energy. Come pack my things because this house is empty. I want everything,
Nonsense again. Leave this place. Go.
I know.
Hey, for your information,
What is it?
I am no longer your in-law. You and your daughter should leave my house.
Leave.
Yes, now.
Dennis.
Hey.
Dennis. What is happening?
Dennis, me. See, for your information, I have collected my car keys. I don't want your path to ever cross mine again.
No.
Leave this gate and
Dennis,
go.
you can't do
And
this.
never to come back.
No.
Come on.
No, Jesus.
Leave it. Come on, leave it.
Dennis! Mama, hold yourself. Dennis! Hey! Mama, I'm finished. Mama, what am I going to do? Mama, what am I going to do? Dennis, open the door. Remember, I love you so much. Dennis, I love you so much and no woman can ever love you like I do. Please. Hey! Mama, I'm finished. Hey! My enemies have succeeded. They've succeeded. They've succeeded. Oh, Mama.
Stop crying. Stop crying. Me too, I am confused.
so confused. Beba, what am I going to do? Beba. Baba. Baba. Hold yourself. Maybe we should go to your sister's house. Let us go there. Dennis, open the door, Dennis, please. Lock the door. Dennis, please, Dennis. Hey, Dennis, please, Dennis, don't do this to me, Dennis. Dennis, don't do this to me, Okay, stop crying.
I don't blame both of you. It's Okute that I blame. But you see two of you in this village. We shall see.
Come back. Why will you blame us? Eh? Ask her. Instead of you to sit down and learn from someone that knows better than you, you are busy allowing pride to overshadow you. Eh? Look at him.
He just spoke. Did anybody talk?
Babe, leave this stupid girl. Let's go. Let's leave this stupid thing.
I don't have you first time.
Leave this stupid girl. I believe by now you've learnt your lesson in police station.
I don't have you both time. But you see, you will see in this village. Akwamononi. You've let old cargo. See this one. Look at her.
I think I know blood.
Instead of you to sit down and learn, be there doing that your rubbish.
Wait,
nonsense.
What can she even do?
I believe her.
Thing.
Just look at her. Nonsense.
Babe, you the best though. But I like it. See, if no be for one thing, I for don't kill that man. Collect everything what you get. Oh, no worry. You will soon see him.
Really? I will definitely see him. Is he on his way already?
Yeah, so you don't on the way they come.
Alright. As long as he will dash me money.
Alright.
It's fine.
Don't worry. Even if no one give you, I'm going to give you by force.
Right? I can't wait. Mama, sister, what is it? Why are you carrying?
Only please take these things inside the house.
How are you?
Let's go.
Sister, don't tell me he sent you.
Leave my clothes.
I'll not leave you.
Leave
You
my
must give me
clothes.
the balance that I used in paying for that thing. I told you about this thing. You said I should go. That you sort it now. Have you seen what is happening?
You are looking for my trouble. I will beat you.
Come and beat me.
I'll
now.
beat you. Was it not business we did?
Which nonsense business?
Oh, you call it nonsense business? Okay. We are trying to you were trying to pursue Oyibo out of this village. While I was trying to bring Oyibo to myself, it didn't work.
Where is Oyibo now?
It did not work, now so you have to go.
And you give me the money now. If it did not work, you give me my balance.
I should give you a balance.
This one come.
If it at work, will you give me money?
Okay now.
Will you pay me for what
See,
for my fault?
Okute, I will not leave this place until you give me my money unless you're ready to kill me. Hey.
Okay. You should be asking if you are ready to die. If you are ready to die.
But kill me. Kill me.
I'll beat you.
Okute, kill me.
I'll beat you.
Kill me. I'm ready. Come and kill me.
See,
the villagers will gather for 2 of us here. Oh. Give me my money. Oh.
Let them gather.
They will gather for us. Oh.
Let them gather.
People should come and hear. Oh. Give me my money. Oh. Give me. Ah! Okute, you kill me. Okute, you.
I'll kill you.
Yeah.
Switched off.
Hey, babe.
Which kind of thing be this one now? Just keeping here since.
I'm so sorry. I was just trying to tidy the house. You know, when you come everywhere, will be fine for you to stay.
Yeah, they carry my boss inside the car.
It's okay.
Ma,
You
call my
look
friends, not
good.
follow us.
You look good.
Wait till I go call my friend.
You're looking good.
Hey, babe, I'm sorry, I can't come.
Come on, let's go.
Why now?
Jesus!
Janice!
Any problem?
You know.
Babe. Is he the guy you've been telling me about?
Yes, sir. He's my husband.
No way. No. He cannot be your husband. That is my sister's husband.
You see?
Yes! The same sister of mine you know. The one who cries to me every day about her husband. Here he is.
Dennis!
Babe, but see, don't just mind this fool, okay? As far as I'm concerned, that marriage, I'm done with it.
Right?
Okay, of course. Come on, let's go.
Shut your mouth, you disgusting piece of shit!
No, don't try him! No!
Babe.
Ademado! Eh? I be street, oh! I be street! I will just design your body. No! Move! No, they touch my husband!
I'll kill this
What's
girl.
your problem?
Are you mad?
Where's your husband? Do you not know my sister?
This girl, I go lose you!
Salt.
No, they touch
Salt,
me,
please! Salt, you're my friend!
Yeah. I know say you my friend. Salt. Now why I just say make you enter? Salt, I go get back to you. Salt. What they try? I go meet you.
Try me rubbish, cause I'm begging you. Try!
Babe, come on, let's go.
Salt, please.
You want me to beat you? Eh?
You will kill me today.
You want me?
Okay.
You want me to beat you? You want me to beat you?
Okay, you kill me today.
You want me to beat you?
You kill me today.
Oh, you are telling my clothes. You are telling my clothes.
You kill me.
Very good. This is how God deals with people who want to come and cause problems.
Tell this girl to leave me alone.
Abby, very bad of you. You are not on this side. Tear this side. Abby, that thing that you are known for, you have not done it. Your poisonous spit.
If you don't get out from this place, if I stand up from there, I will slap you. Stupid girl, come on, get out from this place. It's yours. Get out from this place.
Get out from my shop.
Come on, get out from here.
Get out from my shop. Out from my shop.
Okuta, you kill me today. You will kill me today. You will kill me.
You will die.
Hey! Wonder shall never end, Mama. Hey! Mama, the worst of it all is that she was using charm on him.
How did you know?
Mama, I know because she told me. And I was sitting there listening to her all along, not knowing the man she was talking about was my own sister's husband. Hey!
Did you tell her who Dennis was?
That she knows that my sister has a husband, but she has never met your husband, and I never got the opportunity to meet her so-called man.
Have you seen it now? Have you seen it that all this while Dennis wasn't with his right senses? Or we forget?
I don't believe you. Dennis, I know, is a chronic womanizer, Mama. He knows what he's doing.
Sister, he doesn't.
No, don't tell me that.
Sister, believe me. He doesn't. That. Sister, believe me. Sister, Dennis doesn't know what he's doing. Mama, do you know that the same girl, her plan was to kill him at some point and take over all of his wealth?
We will not let that happen.
Amen.
Yes. Amen. How can we let that happen? Huh?
Mama, let's start going there. I will fight this girl with everything in me.
We will not fight anyone. In this situation, we will look for a powerful man of God that will pray Dennis out of that trap. Hey, that is what we will do. We have to pray.
Do you know anyone,
so that
Mama?
he will get himself.
You people should drink and be happy.
Yes.
God has buttered my bread.
Yes, so I cannot die suffering.
Una make cheers, Una. Cheers.
Mama, Oyibo, we saw Obi while we were coming here. She was looking like one big mad dog.
I saw her and Okute fighting. That is God's reward. People that have refused to change.
Yes, that sounds right.
I got to hear. To tell you something, I don't like trouble.
We know.
I gave you your material when I did not understand the style you wanted to sew. But your material, is still with me. I want to give it to somebody to sew it for you. Because I will not have time to sew it.
No problem. Because it's you. We are fine with it.
I pay for you too.
I
pay for the sewing.
You see?
It's because God has buttered my bread through my sister. And I want to go to fashion school to go and learn how to sew very well. So when I come back, Okay, Fugi. Okay, Nagi. You will enjoy Bone Street for you.
You saw my jumpsuit for me.
Yeah.
See? That's why I said you're a nice person. You're very nice.
Oh, you want one? Mama. I'd have it.
Oh, yeah. Eddie. Come in, baby. Come in. Feel free. Welcome to my humble home. I mean, our home. Because this is your house now. Come on. Wow. Come in. Come in. Just sit down. Relax. Okay, come on. Let me show you to your room.
This is beautiful.
I know you like it. I know. Oh, come on, let me show you around. Let me show you to the room and the other places.
No. Don't worry, eh? Enter. Go carry the boss, enter. I just want to relax for here.
Okay.
Just keep her there, come call me.
Okay, let me take the back to the room. Come.
Go enter.
Just relax, okay? I'm coming.
This mission you are about to embark on is a very powerful one.
I know.
Take this. Put it in his food or drink. And wear this whenever you want to put it. And he will forever be yours.
Okay.
He will do anything you ask him to, even if it means to kill. He will. Good. But nothing must separate you both.
No, Al.
If he dies, you die. If he by any means regain himself and send you away, you die. But you will enjoy him.
Oga, this one no good though. This one too strong, I beg. No, nah.
That is what you requested. And if you cannot do it, you die. So, go home and enjoy yourself.
Oga, I know they go any home. I beg, take him back. Take him back or die done too much for him. Take him, Oga, take him now. I say I don't want again. You don't need to talk, die. Hey! The ring don't follow.
Even if I take it, take the ring and go.
Take now. Oga, take him. I say I don't want again. You don't need to talk, die. Who won't die for this life? Oga, take this thing now. Don't be use my leg, Oga, come here and say make you do something for me.
Even if I take it, you will still die. So go home and enjoy yourself.
You said I put her inside your food, Abi?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Yeah, baby. We are going to enjoy. We are going to enjoy. You will enjoy my money. There is money. You're going to eat and get tired. Okay? Come on.
Bros, I beg.
Come on.
I don't want to drink now.
Why? Let's be drinking and be talking. Yes, there is money. Just come on, let's enjoy.
No worry. Give it time, I won't go handle.
What's that? Come on.
Bros, no worry. I'll go come back.
This is your home and no one is gonna stop. Okay? Sweetheart.
Uche, come. Obi, please come. Okay, what is it? I heard you both were fighting. Could it be true?
Don't blame Okute. It's because of Okute that I'm into this mess. If I had not listened to him to go and fight Oyibo, all these things will not be happening. Imagine my clothes. Look at my body.
Hey. You see? We told you all this thing, but you didn't want to listen to us. Eh? Instead of you to listen to us, you aligned yourself with a man to emulate a fellow lady. Is it good? Eh?
Ask
No.
Answer.
Don't worry. Now, Oyibo has made money. She wants to go back to the city. No. You are free now to sue that your rubbish to the people that you have been suing for. Let me tell you, there is no competition in destiny. Hey! Stay there.
Please.
What was that?
Please.
No. You think?
Help me talk to Oyibo. Please, I beg you in the name of God.
Come on, leave my clothes.
Help me.
Which God?
You are now sorry.
I'm sorry.
She's at home.
I'm sure she will forgive you.
Which house? Are you sure she's still there?
You see what Okute has done to me? God will punish him.
Yeah.
God will punish him wherever he is. Please, I'm sorry. Please.
Baby, please don't go. Why are you doing this? What has come over you?
Because I dey fear.
Fear?
I dey fear say you go leave me, oh.
No, don't say that. I can never leave you. I will not.
Ross, you sure?
I'm very sure. Don't mind what that girl was saying inside there, okay? I've sent her sister away and she's not coming back here again. Okay?
You don't go understand. You don't understand. Hey.
Babe.
What I beg? Forgive me, oh. Forgive me. What I also won't do now.
Babe.
Hey.
Sweetheart, come on, let's go inside, okay? Come on, let's go back inside. Come on.
So, bros, you go leave me?
Yeah, I won't. You'll be fine, okay? Come on.
But you just say you don't leave me.
No, it won't happen.
You just say you don't leave me.
It won't happen. Come on, let's go.
You collect this salt.
Pure.
You collect this salt.
Pure.
Don't leave this salt, oh. Don't leave this salt, oh.
Why would we be fighting with a woman now? What is wrong with you?
Is she mad? Why would she come here to tell me to balance out the money she spent on our mission that failed? Huh? Was she not there that saw that the business did not hold? Now look at my clothes. She tore my clothes. Is she mad? Because she know I'm a teller, I can sew it back.
You have to take your time. All this thing is not good now. Eh? I will even advise you that you have to go back to Oyibo and beg her to forgive you. I even learned that someone that was owing her money came and gave her big money. She's very rich now.
You see, that was why I wanted to come close to Oyibo, so that I'll see she can love me the way I love her. But she refused. That was what started this fight, too. Before Obi carried her own and came. Look at my clothes. Huh?
You cannot use force to make a woman love you. Eh? It's not done like that. It's not done like that. She's not a small girl that you can intimidate and force to do what you want to. She's a big city tailor. You have to go and beg her to forgive you. Please don't do this thing again. It's not good. I even saw what you did to Obi.
What I did to her is small. In her next life, she will not dream to be a teller. Instead, she will go and become nurse or doctor. I will leave this tailoring for you people. I will leave it for you people.
Talking to you as a friend, I'm advising you now. Go and beg her.
I've heard you. I will go and beg her, but if she refuses, you see Obi, I will kill her. Tell Obi not to dream of being a teller again. Let me, or I will leave the teller for you people.
I've told you my own name.
Please, I'm so sorry.
So you know how to beg?
Please, I'm sorry.
You have sharp on your mouth and pour spit on Mama's nose.
I'm sorry, I don't know what I was doing.
It's enough, it's enough, it's enough.
Become up. Forgive her.
Mama, I'm not angry with her. God has buttered my bread. Who am I to be angry with her? I've forgiven you.
God bless you.
Don't bite my leg. Don't bite my leg.
Thank you.
Because I know the kind of things that you can do. I dash you my machine head.
What?
I'm going to fashion school.
Hey, Oyibo, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. I cannot thank you enough. Be quick. Thank God. Thank you, Abiz. I have something.
Well done.
We've asked you to go.
Hey, Ibo. Mama, good afternoon.
What are you doing here?
Thank you,
Mama, I do not have strength to quarrel with you today. Just leave here and if you want to come and fight. I don't have strength for that.
What is it? She said you should. Have you come to fight my daughter?
Mama, am I crazy? I'm here to beg her. Oyibo is my friend though. They say friends are forever. That's why I'm here. Oyibo, please, you don't have to be angry with me. It was this girl that pushed me to it.
Don't call my name.
Because she was angry that she was afraid that you are going to take her customers away from her.
Oh yeah, baby, like this 1 piece square. Mama here was Jude. Mama was talking to you, Peter. Was begging you, Peter, to leave Paul alone. Did you listen? Nezuz.
Oyibo is my friend. Forget that. What happened? What on likeness? Because I was liking Oyibo.
Think I'm like all those village girls that when you like, you want to toast them. You begin to fight with them first before you not tell them that you like them. Think I have all that time.
Sorry.
I have dashed her my machine head. Because I am going to fashion school.
For what?
Which one is for what? She has forgiven me.
Is she your friend?
Oyibo is my friend. Ask her.
Don't spit on her. Oyibo, please. Can we
respect
talk?
yourself.
What are you talking about?
Who's friends now? Mama, friends are forever.
Mama, shift too.
Mama, you are
Mama,
you're also my friend. You're also my friend, Mama.
Remember when you say we not sew clothes for me?
Mama, we saw.
Go away.
Mama, we saw pajamas for you.
You even told that she will go naked in this village.
Oyibo.
Hey, baby. What are you doing here? What are you still doing here? Come inside and take your bed and relax, okay? Come on, let's go inside. You've been here for long now. Come on.
Bros. Just stay inside. They come. Oh, you get what's in the think. Give what's in the worry me. Give what's in the think.
Baby,
I go bath, no worry. They come and go change.
Baby, just
Bros, come on. This is what they talk about they do me for here. This is what they think about for here now. What I won't do. I won't start from now. Bros, I beg. Look, this thing they do me. This is why they do not they do me. They do me plenty for my head. Just can't have like this. Bros, I won't start from now.
What is happening to me?
What I won't do now.
What's going on?
What's the problem with this one?
What is going on? Where's my wife? Salt. What are you doing here? What's going on? Oh my God. Oh, no. Salt, what are you doing in my house?
Ross, you there alright? You there okay?
Of course I'm okay. Do I look sick in your eyes? What are you doing in my house? And where is my wife? And what are you doing here?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for everything. I'm so sorry, okay?
It's okay. Just stand.
Where have you been? Where have you been looking for you?
But I'm here now.
Oh my God. Hey.
I am here to end what this thing did to you. So this is it. So you've been the one making my marriage miserable. So you've been the one making my marriage miserable. Huh? So it is you that I saw her pants in my husband's trouser. What? So it has been you. Oh, this one!
Madam, no, stop.
Go back.
Stop. It's okay.
No, be me.
That is not why we're here. Young lady, the wages of sin is death. But whoever confesses his or her sin will be saved. God is calling you to confess your sin now before it is too late. Confess. Tell them what you did.
Yes.
Confess your sin. Now.
Look at what you did to them.
Confess.
Confess.
Your own friend's sister's husband. I don't know anything, and don't you dare call my name again.
Hey! I use charm.
What?
Charm.
Cham? Dikeh, Otomogo. You're using Otomogo on me.
You use scam on somebody's husband.
Hi! Shout! Hi! Oh my God.
Hey! It's okay. It's okay. The thing be say, then tell me say, if I leave am, I go die. I mean, I don't want die. I don't want die.
The devil is a liar. It is time for us to pray. Brethren, Mama, it is time for us to pray. We need to pray right now. Father, the change of days, mighty man in battle, the beginning and the end, the Alpha and the Omega, the author and finisher of faith, we are here. You said, let two or more are gathered, you are in their midst. Ancient of days, we call you here. Elijah called you, you answered. Moses called you, you answered. Abraham called you.
If this clothes refuse to sew, hey, Abi, anywhere I see you, what I will do to you? In your next life, you will not dream of being a teller. What will I do now? See Oyibo. If I had known, I wouldn't have used force. So I wouldn't have used force on her. By now, she will be my wife. Or should I even go and tell her that I want to marry her? So that she will see that I mean business. Look at the opportunity I have missed now.
Where my clothes? I came to collect that clothes I gave you. Is it ready?
It is not ready. Come next week.
Huh?
It is not ready. Come back next week. I bought 1 million.
You must be joking. What do you mean? For how long? Why carry clothes? Come make repair for me. Make mend for me. Clothes why they take them, material come out. You tell me say never ready. For how long, Baba? Come see. Me and you know there for that one. No. Give me that clothes, else I go scatter this your shop. You dey hear me so?
You scatter my shop. Okay, shop.
Baba, come. Go carry my clothes. Come. I mean, you know there for long sentiment. I beg. Go carry my clothes. Come, Mike. Come on here.
I say come back next week. Unless you want me to give it to you, I'll give it to you like that. You go and wear it like that. Don't come back and say Okude did not put one leg.
You will give it to me like that. Okay. No problem. Case closed. If you must give it to me like that, then you have to put it in order exactly the same way it was when I brought it here. Else I go use you set a very critical example of what people should be doing to other fuck up tailors like you in this village. You dey hear me so? Okunta they look me they look me and they talk to you, they look me. You know what's in there this bag? You want my luck inside burn your life? Come, forget this thing, me I get body but small body no be sickness so. Forget say you got that body, you just a thing say if you intimidate me with this. Go carry my clothes, come on here. See the worry yourself. What might change them for you? Do fast before I go spray you tear gas from heaven now. The mental.
See, my guy, see, he has not gotten to the extent of opening your bag. When you came here before, he wasn't shouting like this. You were calm. Now you have changed your voice. Okay. See, let me tell you, it has not gotten to the extent of opening your bag. I'm not a bad person. Everybody knows that Okuta is a man of peace. Forget, you are my friend though. Forget the way people always say that Okuta doesn't know what's doing. I know what I'm doing. See, let me tell you, I was only joking. Your cloth is ready. Sit down, my brother. Butu. When I talk like this, people think that butu. Hey, if you open this bag, I'm not going to be alive again. I don't know what it is.
So my clothes is ready.
Your clothes? You don't know me. I was only joking.
Right. So my sit down, bring her.
Hello, I cannot fuck up with you. Sit down. Sit down. Hey, Okute. My guy. You know that time we were standing up, you were shouting. Now you are sitting down. I'm the one standing up now, so my voice must go up. You say you are going to take the shop. You see this shop? Take it.
Come on, Okute. You are running. Okute, come here.
Sweetheart, I'm so sorry, okay? This will never happen again. I'm sorry from my heart.
It's okay, it's okay. I have forgiven you. Okay?
Thank you.
Pastor, I dey fear. I go die.
Yeah. No evil formed against you shall prosper.
Amen.
As long as you believe, you will not die.
I believe son no go die. No go die.
Pastor, see, it's not my fault. But I know that God has used this thing to punish me for all my evil deeds.
It's well with us all.
You know they well with us all. You know they well with me in particular.
What's the problem?
I get that inside my body, they do me.
Jesus. Find you. Jesus.
Blood of Jesus. I cast you. I bind you. I cast you. I bind you. Blood of Jesus Christ. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Thank you. Thank you. Praise your holy name. Jesus. Cast every single blood of Jesus. Jesus.
Why would you do that? Why? Mama, I am so sorry. I'm very, very sorry. But the most important thing is that everything has been settled. I'm so happy I did not die.
Mama, let us forgive her. Because me, I used to be very angry with the way she was living her way of life. But it seems like God used that way of life to bless me and to restore everything that I have lost. So, Mara, let's forgive her. But you went too far.
Mama, forgive her, please. Sorry.
Sister, I am so sorry. I'm very, very sorry. Even Dennis has forgiven me. He said I can keep the money.
Then what are we talking about? He stole my money. You stole his money. Stole. Go less.
Sister, you still have it in mind?
No, I've forgiven him. After all, he has forgiven you too.
No, you have not forgotten. You just talked about it.
Because he stole his own. I'm just remembering. You know, it's equal now. Go, let's draw. Mama, let's forgive her. He has forgiven her. He said she can keep the money. Who are we to complain? Because Mama, I have to go. I'm going to school. I have things to do.
That's okay. Your sister here will be going with you, since she has to finish her school.
No, she's not staying here. What? Now I'm comfortable, I have money. I will not have time for that kind of nonsense. I will slap her until she begins to bleed from her cheeks. I do not have that time at all. She likes to misbehave too much.
No. Calm down now, sister. Calm down. I've changed though. I've repented. I'm a new person now. I've changed. Once we go to the city, let's just rent a very comfortable apartment and live together. By the way, we both have money.
Yes, we both have money. Mama, you're right. Yeah, go and pack, let's go.
Through me. It's through me.
Go and prepare, let's go.
Okay.
I'm not rich now. Prepare, because no, I have to go. Go back.
So now you have money and allow us to.
Let's go.
Hey, baby.
Oh.
The food is ready.
I love
Come on.
It's what you used to do for me. It's nice.
I know you like it.
That's so good. Thank you so much for coming back to my life.
Baby, see, I don't just want you to worry yourself anymore, okay? I promise you with my life, I'm not going to do that again, okay? I want to face my family and be happy.
Oh, yes. Good. Because I wonder what you men see in another woman. Yes. Why do men cheat on their wives? No, tell me. What is it that I cannot give you that you're looking outside for?
Honey, please, let's not just go there again, okay? I say all that have changed now, okay? Let's not go there. It won't happen again. I've learned my lessons.
I missed you.
I missed us. That food is for you.
No, thank you. Please. I missed you so much.
Same here.
Thank you. Oh, this is so sweet, so delicious.
I don't do many things, but I don't settle for one. I be professional teller. We know they too. If you see me, call me Oyibo, the international teller. My name I go answer because not true you talk. If you see me anywhere, call me Oyibo, the international teller. I go answer because not true you talk. Tailoring na my work. Oyibo, the international teller. I go answer because not true you talk. Oyibo business life getting many chapters and fashion. Today oversized, tomorrow na oversight. The next thing you see am dey hide. If no be am, e go be agboro. This life will get as e be. To make am no easy at all. Still call me Oyibo, the international seller. I go answer because not true you talk. If you see me, call me Oyibo, the international seller. I go answer because not true you talk. If you see me, call me Oyibo, the international seller.